How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a bee stand, because I'm on the side of a hill and I have a slope and it's going down. So I got this idea from Fred, and I'll put his name right here. He's also a YouTuber and lives in the snow belt, so I like to watch him because we're in Minnesota. So the things you're going to need is some pipe. I'm using 3/4 inch pipe. He used what was it, 1.5 inch conduit, but I had this laying around from one of our jobs. And then 6 of these U-bolts and something to cut the pipe with. I'm gonna use this pipe cutter. So, and then you need it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stakes, T-post stakes, and it'll hold 2 hives. So I'm gonna make 2 of them actually, but I'll show you this one and we'll go from there. Alrighty. So what you're gonna want to do first is we're gonna measure this pipe. It's 10 foot. We're gonna cut it right in half. Put a mark right there. And there we go. Nice cut. So now that we have that cut, we have 2 pieces. I'm gonna go down and get the stakes. I'm gonna kind of show you the area where we're putting it and what's kind of going on. It's at a steep slope, so it'll look a lot cleaner rather than using pallets. So there it is now, and once we have the post in, I'm going to do one right up here, and then I'm going to do one over there because we have some more hives coming. So alright, let's get the T-post. So I know bees don't like vibrations, so we'll see how this goes. If I start getting bumped by them, then I'm going to put my bee suit on. But let me show you here. So what I'm thinking is, you see this plant right there? Well, I think I'm going to do one, because I'm going to come up a little bit from where that one is now. So I think I'm going to do it from that bush this way, and on the other side of that one, go that way. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's get the post pounder going. And I know it's always healthy to get a good laugh, but I really hope you guys aren't going to get a good laugh with me doing this and then I get stung a bunch of times. So, alright, here goes nothing. So far, so good. So, looking at it, the pipe that I'm using is so thick that I don't think I'm going to need 3. Because he was using thinner, so, and I believe it's less than a 1/16 even. So I think I'm just gonna do it with 4. I think it'll be fine. So that was nice. They didn't even care that I was doing that. So now let's get the impact and the U-bolts. And then I have one more idea. I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build like a platform, I think. Okay, so I have 4 U-bolts because I only went with the 4 posts instead of 6. And then my 1/2 inch driver. Let's go put them on. The sun's coming back. The bees can't see me if I have my glasses on. I also forgot I need a level. Okay, so I got it all done, and what I ended up doing is I put them on so it's close to being level, and I just kept tapping them until I got it perfect. So from left to right, I have it so it's perfectly level, and then I have it where it's just a titch leaning that way. It's an 1/8 inch leaning that way, and it's because I'm going to build a stand for each one, a piece of wood. So I'll show you what I mean. So then all the water runs off. Well, you're not gonna get a laugh today from me getting stung. I wouldn't put a suit on because I have to move them now from here onto there. So I just would rather not get stung. So I'm gonna start with the farther box and then put that one over there and then put this one here. So see how this goes. Alright, I am truly sorry about that. The battery had died when I was moving the last one, so I don't know how much it collected on that, or where it died I should say, on that little clip. You can see I got it moved. Yes, I know this one post is leaning, but part of the being on the hill and making the adjustment. So I think what I can do is put some baling wire to hold them close together too, and it won't lean. But all the bees are trying to figure out where their new house is. You can see they're fanning out there on the landing board. So yeah, I think it's gonna work good and look nice. I think what I'm gonna do with this one is this pallet is slide it down actually, and I think I might use it for like nucs when I do splits and stuff, and a little table to work on. And then I'm gonna do another stand right here, but it got me thinking doing that one, so I might design something myself. We'll see. To be continued. Alright, so I finished up and I actually mowed the lawn, and I wanted to give some time to the bees to rest so they can find their hive and go back to it. And it looks like they did. There's a couple more swarming yet up there. Well, not swarming, just circling around. And I just kind of wanted to show what ideas I have on what the other frame's gonna be, and do an inventory on the wood. So you can see, I don't know if you can see them over there, but there's only a couple over there by the pallet. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna take the pallet right here, move that down to right about here, and then that'll be for like the nucs and when I do splits in the future. And then I want to take another pallet, and I think what I'm going to do is do the same concept as that, but I'm going to run it through the pallets like you would with a forklift and pick it up. So then it's like a table, and then I have to get self-tapping screws and screw it into the pipe, so this way I know it won't tip and it won't go anywhere. So that's what I'm going to work on next. And I gotta go to the store for that, and I don't know if I'll do that for a while. I might just order online because I don't need to be running around. So I'm gonna try to do whatever I have at home with the things I have and go from there. So, well, if you guys have any tips on what kind of bee stands, maybe some of you guys have bees or some, or remember it's a really steep slope. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, give me some ideas what you guys have. Put it down below in the comments and tell me what you think of this so far. And make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.